We're gonna start off and wet my hair. This is just water, by the way. First of all, I love that it comes in a tub. Normally I love it when my gels or products either come in a tub so I can just scoop it out. In terms of the consistency, it's like, it's not a stretchy jelly or anything like that. It kind of feels really moisturizing and it doesn't feel like it's gonna just like sit on top of my curls. Like I feel like it's gonna actually penetrate through my hair. Okay, decent slip. Okay, I see you, Taliah Waajid. Ooh, man, and this product just smells so freaking good. Immediately, I could tell that because of the way this product feels and the way that it's working through with my hair, it's gonna clump my curls perfectly how I like it to. This is my hair with the jelly, and this is without. So with, without. All of them smell exactly like just a fresh, crisp green apple. I don't even know how they got this fresh scent in it. It smells amazing.